Let's be real. The world of AI can feel like a total storm of hype and pressure. Leaders are constantly told they have to act, but it's almost never clear what actually matters. So, in this explainer, we're going to break down a blueprint that's designed to cut right through all that noise and turn that AI curiosity into confident, real-world action.
And this right here is the single most important idea we're going to explore. This one sentence reframes the entire AI conversation. See, instead of getting lost in the weeds of the technology, it forces us to ask a much better question. What is the right decision for our business?
So, what is this AI decision problem? Well, if you're a leader, you felt it. It's that constant pressure to do something about AI. But here's the thing. When that pressure isn't channeled the right way, it's exactly why so many AI projects fail before they even get off the ground. Do any of these sound familiar? You know, those super expensive pilot programs that just go nowhere? Or that feeling of total confusion and misalignment on your team? These aren't technology failures. Nope, they are symptoms of a decision-making failure. When you just throw money at a project without a rock-solid business case, you're just going to end up with a lot of waste and confusion.
Okay, so how do we fix this? It's all about shifting our focus. The goal isn't just to do AI. That's meaningless. The real goal is to make smart AI decisions. And to do that, you absolutely need a framework, a filter that every single idea has to pass through before a single dollar is spent or a single line of code is written.
And here's that filter. Think of it like a 4-point inspection. First up, business impact. Is this going to make a real measurable difference? Second, feasibility. Forget the hype. Can we actually do this? Third, cost and scale. What's the true cost to get this running? And can it actually grow with us? And finally, risk and governance. Can we manage the potential downsides? You know, if an idea fails even one of these tests, it gets a red flag. It doesn't just get forced through.
Let's be crystal clear about what this is. This approach is a structured way to get clarity. It's a decision-making framework. It is absolutely not a tool demo or a commitment to build something. And that's the whole point. The goal isn't just to build AI, it's to figure out what actually deserves to be built in the first place.
All right, so that's the philosophy. But how does it actually work for a whole organization? Well, this framework gets built into a practical blueprint for leadership teams, something we call a focus sprint. It's a structured process, and it's designed to take a leadership team from total confusion to a concrete plan in just a couple of weeks. You start by mapping out reality. What are your goals? What are your systems? Where are the real pain points? From there, you can identify the high-impact opportunities. And then comes the most important part. You prioritize. You decide what to tackle now, what to put on the back burner, and maybe what to avoid altogether.
So what do you get out of this? Well, the first thing is the AI opportunity map. And this isn't some vague 100-page report. It's a super clear visual that shows you exactly where AI could fit into your business. And just as importantly, where it really doesn't.
The second deliverable is the prioritization matrix. Now, this is where the rubber really meets the road. It ranks every single opportunity by its impact versus how feasible it is. This gives leaders a clear, defensible reason to say, okay, we're focusing on Project A, not Project B, and here's exactly why. And finally, you get a plan you can actually use, a 90-day roadmap that outlines the immediate next steps. It's a living document you can take straight to your team, to your board, and start implementing with total confidence because you know it's been properly vetted. No more guesswork, no more hype. Now, this whole decision-first philosophy isn't just for big organizations. It's also for ambitious professionals who are looking to build real, valuable AI skills. Let's take a look at how this same approach completely changes the way you can learn this stuff.
Think about it. On one side, you've got your traditional courses. You know, tons of theory, lots of abstract ideas. But on the other side, you've got a totally different approach. The AICE program uses a build-first methodology. You don't just learn about concepts, you immediately get your hands dirty and apply them to create real, tangible projects. You're validating your skills through action, not just by passing a test.
So what does that actually mean for you? It means you walk away with real career assets, things like automated workflows you've built, intelligent agents you've designed, and a comprehensive portfolio that proves you know what you're doing. Your skills aren't just certified on paper, they're literally validated by an AI system that checks the quality of what you've actually built.
So whether we're talking about a multi-million-dollar company trying to figure out its strategy or a single professional trying to build their career, the path to real success, it starts in the exact same place. It's all grounded in one simple core principle.
And here it is. This is the central message of this whole explainer. True success in AI doesn't come from having the newest, fanciest technology. It comes from having a structured, decision-first approach. It's all about getting clarity before you invest in capability. And that is the foundation. It doesn't matter if you're the CEO or a brand new engineer.
So I'm going to leave you with this one question to think about in your own work. The next time you or your team starts talking about an AI initiative, just stop for a second and ask, are we trying to solve a technology problem here, or have we really truly solved the decision problem first? I promise you, the answer will change everything.